Hey everyone, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your favorite place to learn easy, smart, and powerful trading strategies that anyone can follow. In today's video, I've got something exciting for you. A super easy yet powerful pocket option strategy using just two indicators, Bollinger Bands and the zigzag indicator. This strategy works great in market conditions where price moves in waves, and trust me, it's beginner-friendly too. But here's the twist. You need to use the right settings to make this setup work like magic. Don't worry, I'll reveal those exact settings later in this video, so make sure you watch till the very end. Risk. Warning. Binary options trading involves high risk. You could lose all your money, so trade only with funds you can afford to lose. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. All right, let's break this down step by step so you can trade confidently using this strategy. Buy trade setup. When to enter a buy, to take a buy trade, make sure all three conditions are met. The candle must touch the lower band of the Bollinger Bands. The zigzag line should appear below the candle, then wait for one bullish candle as confirmation, a green candle that closes above the previous one. As soon as these three conditions are confirmed, you can enter a buy trade confidently. Sell trade setup. When to enter a sell now, here are the conditions for a sell trade. The candle must touch the upper band of the Bollinger Bands. The zigzag line should appear above the candle. Wait for one bearish candle as confirmation, a red candle that closes below the previous one. Once all three conditions are fulfilled, go ahead and enter a sell trade. Important tips for success. Use 1-minute candles and a 1-minute expiry time. Only trade when the market is showing zigzag or wave patterns, not during strong trends or flat markets. Avoid major news events. Always check the economic calendar before trading. For better accuracy, trade during the European and New York sessions. And most importantly, never trade against the trend. By following these simple rules, you can reduce mistakes and improve your win rate over time. Now that you've learned the full strategy, let's take a few live trades to see how this works in real market conditions. Watch closely so you don't miss the logic behind each trade. All right, traders, here's a perfect buy trade setup based on our strategy. Let me break it down for you. The candle has touched the lower Bollinger Band line. The zigzag indicator is positioned below the candle, and we've got a strong bullish candle confirming the buy trade. All three conditions are met, so this is a solid setup to enter a buy trade. Remember, always start by testing this strategy on a demo account. It's the safest way to practice and perfect your skills before putting real money on the line. Now let's sit tight and wait for the trade result. Fingers crossed. Let's see how this plays out. Stay tuned. We've won this trade. This setup played out exactly as planned, giving us a profitable result. That's the power of sticking to a proven strategy. Now let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup. Remember, success in trading isn't about rushing. It's about following the rules and waiting for the right opportunities to come to you. Here's a perfect sell trade setup based on our strategy. Let me explain why this is such a great opportunity. The candle has touched the upper Bollinger Band line. The zigzag indicator is positioned above the candle, and a strong bearish candle has formed, confirming the sell trade. The overall trend is currently an uptrend, but it's not strong. Sellers have repeatedly entered the market, weakening the momentum. Seeing confirmation from a strong bearish candle again suggests that the trend will likely turn downward for some time. Always keep an eye on the payout of the currency pair you're trading. Focus on high payout currencies to maximize your profits on successful trades. This simple habit can make a big difference in your trading results. All right, the trade is live. Let's wait patiently for the result and see how this one plays out. We've won this trade too. Another successful result thanks to our strategy. Now let me quickly show you the exact indicator settings we're using so you can implement this yourself. First, the Bollinger Band indicator. Set the period to 9. Set the deviation to 1.5. Next, the zigzag indicator. Use the default settings. Deviation 5, depth 12, backstep 3. That's it. These settings are optimized for this strategy. But remember, traders, not every trade will be a winner. The goal is to stay consistent, manage your risk, and focus on improving your entries over time. Here's what you can do next. Backtest this strategy on historical data practice on a demo account. And once you're confident, slowly move to live trading with small amounts. This strategy is perfect for beginners and experienced traders who want to rely on pure price action without cluttering their charts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, smash the like button to support the channel, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest trading strategies. And don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover a new topic. Thanks for watching and being part of the Sam Trading Strategies family. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep learning. See you in the next video.